Hi, I'm Greg, and I would like to say a couple things about Dr. Perez, her staff, and the great treatments I have received. I came to Dr. Perez's office on the referral recommendation of my regular dentist. Upon arriving at Dr. Perez's office, I immediately felt at ease from the friendliness and knowledge of everyone that made me feel very comfortable. I have had tissue grafting and periodontal therapy, and the success has been phenomenal. In the beginning, Dr. Perez was confident of the success, and now what were once deep pockets are no longer. Through the grafting, therapy, and continued good oral hygiene per doctor's instructions, my recovery has been both easy and flawless following each procedure. Because of the great personal care of Dr. Perez, her staff, from the ease of making appointments to the billing, you can rest assured you are in great hands. They treat you like family. These procedures and treatments changed my dental health, and I would tell you Dr. Perez is the best in San Antonio.